to this episode of Northbound Expeditions. On this episode, we're going to install these AUXBEAM lights here. There's an A-pillar lights. You can see shaped for the windshield, even though they're not going to be that close to my windshield. They're dual. They have orange, like amber lights in the center, and driving lights white up and above and below, which is why you get the 3-pin connectors. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble these. Put the mounts on. One thing you're going to know about these mounts, the 7's X, I don't know, 7's X gear. The hole in here is actually is actually too small to fit the supply bolt. So you cannot put them through here. You have to source a different bolt. All right, so now that you've replaced your bolt, if you use the same mount as I am, you replace your bolt with something different. I just had some laying around in my drawer of random bolts. So found something that fits, and obviously then simply just install it on the mount. I have one, a little bit too tight, very tight. So yeah, look at that angle there. Okay, so up next I'm going to take off the cowling to run the cable underneath it. Stuff the cable under it first. Okay, now with the lights installed, let's get onto the wiring. I'm going to clean up all this wiring afterwards. And red to red. Okay. Why are they on? The button must be pressed. I mean, I was going to say, let's check them out, test them out. They work, and they're really bright. All right, so I mounted it here. I ran the cable just from behind here down the back and to the firewall, and then out here. So that way all the cable is tucked away, and it's glued down. So it's not perfectly straight, but whatever, you can't even see it. Anyway, so you get the on-off button, and then you get the modes, different modes, which you will see what they do with it. Pretty cool. So first one, this is the dual combo strobe. Mode. Now we just got regular full-on whites. Full on ambers. Both on. No strobe, orange, amber and white on. Full time. If not, well, here's amber strobe, so. So this is the way I'm keeping my mode on. It's just on the regular amber. I think it's the most, the one I use the most, because I can use it just to be more visible in the fog or in bad weather without having to blind people as if I had the white lights on. And strobe, I mean, it's good for emergencies. If you get stuck on the road, your probably flashes in the strobe as well.